Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of blocked account on Strava. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Strava app and you will enter here in this window. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Strava app. And then we'll update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to press the bell icon.